Welcome back for a short update video, guys. This is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra running on One UI 8. This is the third test firmware. The version is ZYEG. It's One UI 8, Android 16. This is the S24 Ultra running on Android 15. It's One UI 7. I'm still on the April version. If you missed my introduction video, the longer one, just check one video ago. But in this video, I wanted to directly compare the animations because, and thank you for keeping me honest, guys. It turns out, and you know how it goes, on the S24 Ultra, guys, I'm still able to access my home app, which works like this. And of course, Android 16 here on your 8 home app doesn't work. In my previous video, I was using the home gesture animation tuning, the classic one, which is not exactly the standard Samsung One UI home animation from the more recent One UI version. So more like pixel animation. People are saying, yeah, it can be really different. Anyway, have in mind, guys, it's very early to compare One UI 8 builds because anyway, there's just like some alpha test firmwares. But just to see what happens right now, because very soon hopefully Samsung will release the One UI 8 official first beta, and then we're gonna do this again. Let's close everything, and guys, let's open X. All right, exit and Instagram, exit as well. Let's open gallery. All right, by the way, here you have this new menu, One UI 8 menu, updated big bars here, and also translucent blur. It looks quite nice, by the way, and this is the One UI 7. Let's open the store. All right, you can see there is a tiny bit difference. Okay, one more time. I'm gonna open Play Store and one more time. So in order to be 100% sure, guys, I'm gonna go back inside more customizations, and the only option that I can do right now, being not able to access home app on One UI 8 Android 16, is to completely just kill the home app. So now, no home app here, no home app here, and now let's open X. Outside. All right, okay, now we're talking. I think it's now 100% the same, guys. X. Now let's open gallery. All right, let's go outside store. All right, now let's open Play Store. All right. Let's try to open the camera. Camera is very important, by the way. One of the new things, guys, here, if I go to video, yeah, we now have log video on the front camera. Again, one of the new things in One UI 8, and hopefully also coming with the other updates of One UI 7 for S25 and etc. So let's open the camera again. Exit the camera again. Exit. All right, now let's just go back to recent menu. Let's try to close everything here. Let's open X. All right, you can see they're really the same. All right, S24 Ultra faster. Let's open Instagram. All right, let's open here the store. Just the same animation, guys. How can we be sure, guys? I'm using one and the same wallpaper on both phones, just with a different color accent, and a lot of you are asking me, hey, what is this wallpaper? This application is created by Matthias Eckhart, the Wallrod one, and also the Luna wallpapers, guys, both of them created by him. This is no sponsored video, guys. I'm just using those. I paid for them and I absolutely love them. But why is it important? Because we have the very same picture here on the background, and when I open an application and close it, you can just see what happens when the whole wallpaper is zoomed in and out on the background. All right, let's analyze one more time. Analyze. All right, it's completely the same. With the zooming out, we can see almost like if the boat is moving, guys. And now let's do some apps opening from the bottom of the screen. Let's start with this. All right, going outside. All right, you can see the bot drifting away one more time. Let's open the widget. Okay, One UI 7 widget here, One UI 8 widget here. These can be installed also over One UI 7. There is an APK, you can download it. Now let's do some animation speed testing. I just want to see how quickly can I stop the animation. Yeah, I can apparently. This wasn't the case before. You can see, guys, also on One UI 7, it's really so smooth. One more thing I would like to test, guys. Let's just go and open a game. I hope that I have Minecraft on both phones, all right? Because this will just turn the phone into a landscape mode. Apparently the S25 Ultra is just a bit faster. What I want to see right now is how do I exit. All right, let's see if I can do it like this, probably from here. All right, yeah, it's circa the same, guys, and we are now in that mode. What happens in this mode? There's a bit of luck here. Oh my god, also not quite good here. Let's try to close everything. We were able to confirm that in the very first 3 tests, One UI 8 firmware, guys, the animations are circa the same. I don't think that there is anything new here. What is good to see is that apparently they're really as quick as the One UI 7, guys, and I'm just doing this on purpose so that you can really see how it works, because we remember the days when this wasn't the case, and right now I'm just multi-opening apps and just up switching, and you can just see this is really good and really works. And I know that I said really like 1000 times, but guys, this has been a very short comparison, so animation wise still everything is the same, but let's just hope for more advanced animation tuning stock in One UI 8 and also for more options. Let me know what you think down in the comments. One final twist here, not an issue at all. All right, this animation also works. Perhaps this one, I think this is still a pain point. You can see not so fluid the first time. Yeah, I have a feeling it's like 30 FPS, but nevertheless, guys, yeah, this is very early build, and yeah, but everything's almost fine right now. I can start multiple apps and you can see, juggle them without too big of a delays or issues. Probably, of course, there's gonna be some bugs. This is very early, nevertheless, guys, but this is something we wanted for so long, then finally Samsung implemented it, and it's good that it's there, guys. Let me know what else you want me to check. Stay safe, VST over, and bye.